What's up guys, I'm gonna teach you step by step how to connect your wallet on Hamster Kombat and withdraw to BingX exchange. So, make sure to stay to the end of the video to not miss any step. First, you have to download the Ton Wallet app from the official website or App Store. After that, follow on the screen instructions to create a new wallet. Make sure to store your seed phrase securely. Then, open the Hamster Kombat platform. Look for the Connect Wallet button or similar option, then select Ton Wallet and follow the prompts to connect your wallet. You might need to enter your wallet address or scan a QR code. In your Hamster Kombat account, go to the Withdraw or Wallet section. Enter the amount of tokens you want to withdraw, then paste the address of your Ton wallet where you want to receive the tokens. Then confirm the withdrawal. After that, open your Ton Wallet app, go to the Send or Transfer section, then enter the address of your BingX account where you want to deposit the tokens. And then confirm the transfer. And you're all done.